The Turbosawmill Warrior Auto is our best-selling, most popular product to date. Capable of sawing logs 20 foot in length and pretty much any diameter. This mill features an incredibly easy-to-use power feed system with an automated remote swing mechanism. The auto also offers single-end sizing, which means the operator controls all of the action from just one end. Packed with extra features, the auto has far-end vertical beam leveling and is also easily moved left or right to align horizontally during initial setup. The auto utilizes one gearbox for accurate horizontal sizing and a second heavy-duty gearbox for raising and lowering the mill for vertical sizing. It's supplied standard with a hand crank and a cordless drill attachment for faster adjustment. The auto is powered along the log using a patent-pending hydrostatic drive system, capable of slower speeds for deep cuts and faster speeds for shallow cuts. The unique monorail beam design offers clean, open access to load your logs and remove cut timber. And because the beam is not on the ground, there are no frame twist concerns and no sawdust buildup around the beam. If you're using the mill by yourself, the auto feature allows you to remove and stack the cut timber while the saw head automatically cuts the next board. If you're late in returning to the controls, the mill simply pauses and awaits your return. The monorail system, along with this simple yet refined automation, sets Turbosawmill apart from every other mill on the market. For maximum portability, purchase our optional trailer system. For easy 10 to 20 minute loading of your sawmill, and you're on your way to your next job. Our auto has many available accessories. We have 3 slabbing options. Our 60-inch attachment slabber that can be mounted in place of a circular blade, a carriage for your Alaska slabber for one-person operation, and a 13 horsepower direct drive vertical shaft dedicated slabber. Other accessories include a planer blade for truing up dried slabs, alloy log dog kits, cant hooks, beam extensions, and a weatherboard attachment. The Warrior Auto has the ability to double cut twice the width of the mill's capacity. This is easily achieved by adjusting the horizontal blade guard out of the way to allow you to re-enter the backside of the log. Our advanced automated system means no more pushing and pulling your swing blade mill through soft sawdust. But don't worry, you'll get plenty of exercise stacking the large volumes of timber this mill will produce throughout the day. The Warrior Auto is your ultimate solution for easy and productive portable sawmilling. It is the final evolution of the world-famous Peterson swing blade design that Carl Peterson first commercialized back in 1988.